Shocking reparation techniques. A wooden tea table that has been soaked in water and rotted requires only 6 steps to repair it to its original state. Not only will it look like new, it will also be strong and durable.
My tea table has been damaged by water and has been repaired 3 times. I am reluctant to throw it away. Can it still be repaired?
Don't worry, we fix the world. Perhaps due to a production error or deformation due to moisture, the drain level of this wooden tea table is too high, causing water to accumulate on the table. Over time, the water penetrates the varnish and enters the interior of the wood. To prevent moisture from quickly penetrating, the owner used Scotch tape to stick it on, which made the water more difficult to dry and prolonged the soaking time of the wood. Now, it has become severely rotten. According to the owner, he had found someone to repair it 3 times before, but it didn't last long. How to solve this problem? The 4th repair, can it be guaranteed to be sturdy and durable? The video will give you the answer at the end. Step 1. Clean up rotten area. Use a shovel to remove the rotten wood as deeply and widely as possible, otherwise it will rot again soon after repair. Note, here, I think the repairman should let the table sit in a ventilated place for 1 to 2 weeks, and wait until it is completely dry before performing the next steps. Step 2. Round filling. Develop a filling plan based on the damage. The volume of this round is relatively large, so the master chose the solution of bottom layer of wood powder plus surface layer of poly putty. Each layer of the bottom wood powder must be thin and overlap with multiple layers of superglue to allow superglue to fully penetrate into the wood powder. Of course, some restoration masters will choose some strange but not unexpected filling materials, such as instant noodles, cigarette butts, and ash. Generally, powder will be more conducive to the penetration of glue, and the repair object itself is wooden furniture. If you want to see me analyze the detailed step-by-step video of repairing furniture with instant noodles, please like and leave a message to tell me. If the video has more than likes or more than comments, it will be uploaded faster. The putty on the surface can be adjusted in advance to color as close as possible to the original background of the tea table, which will be more helpful for later drawing textures, and then smoothed with a spatula. Step 3. Sanding. Different people may have different sanding methods. The master used 120 grit sandpaper for quick sanding in the first pass, then added a layer of putty to fill in the possible sand holes. Then he started to add water and sand it, using 120 grit, 320 grit, and finally 600 grit sandpaper from coarse to fine. Step 4. Brighten. It seems inconspicuous, but it is an important step. Use a cotton cloth dipped in shellac to smear on the repaired round and its surroundings to make the surface bright. This will make the color transparent and bright for subsequent coloring and texture drawing. Step 5. Base color and texture painting. Use color powder to adjust the base color. Of course, if you are lucky, your color powder may have a directly similar color, and use a paintbrush or cotton cloth to paint on the filled round. Then, use color finesse to adjust the texture color, and use a brush to paint the texture. Visually speaking, this step is important, but it's not difficult. The only thing you need to pay attention to is to imitate the color and pattern around the round to minimize artificial traces. Step 6. Spray varnish sealing. The last step is particularly critical. To make the repair results strong and durable, we need to spray varnish on the repaired area to seal and protect it. And you cannot use ordinary varnish. You must use high temperature resistant varnish, and spray it overlappingly for more than 3 times. This is the final result of the restoration. What do you think? If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave a message for us to discuss together. We'll fix the world and share everything about repairing damaged marble, ceramics, wooden leather, including techniques, ideas, tools and materials and detailed steps. If it is useful to you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.